J-Cloth. J-Cloth. Are you listening to me, J-Cloth? Fuck's sake. You piece of shit. Listen, I've got loads of jobs for you to do today, so get your fucking act together. Pull your socks up, young man. What do I pay you? Honestly, I don't fucking know sometimes. Anyway, sweep behind the fridges. First job of the day. Finish the washing up. There's fucking shitloads of it over there. Do the recycling. Peel some spuds. Take the bins out. Clean the extractor. Give the walking look of going over. It's fucking disgusting. What's that? Bomb or something? Do it, get on with it now.
Know what I'm talking about. Live in the kitchen porter. J-Cloth. When I step up in the kitchen, yo, I show respect.
Yes, yes.
Check the side of these are fresh. I am the kitchen porter and I will do my best.
Yes, yes.
I dice up the chicken breast. I do the washing up and bits of minor prep.
Yes, yes.
I clean up all your mess. I wash up all the dishes, then prep the watercress.
Yes, yes.
This job makes me depressed. J-Cloth up in the place. True indeed. Yes, I wash plates and I wash them high speed and guaranteed to work longer than agreed. You'll find me at the back by the bin smoking weed, peeling sweet potatoes, parsnips and the Swede, cleaning up the grease on my hands and my knees.
J-Cloth, please make me a cup of tea. And when you're done that, pushing up a wheel of breeze.
Yes, chef. But then can I go for a wee?
You got 2 minutes, but then show the garden peas. J-Cloth, where are you?
Alright, coming. It's non-stop in the kitchen, no time to breathe. Working double shifts from the morning to the eve. I hit the booze hard when it's time to leave. Soft food's provided, but there's no time to eat.
J-Cloth, can you change the bins, please?
A day in the life of a kitchen KP. When I step up in the kitchen, yo, I show respect.
Yes, yes.
You're a pain in the neck. I call the head chef a prick underneath my breath.
Yes, yes.
I have to do what he says. I use some water blue, roll to mop up all my sweat.
Yes, yes.
I clean up all your mess. I wash up all the dishes till there ain't nothing left.
Yes, yes.
This job makes me depressed. You and I are cleaning with the best. J-Cloth coming through for the soul salad crew. KB, who I be? Straight out the sink, where the grease trap stinks. Opening up a new pack of scarrots for you kitchen fuckers. Yo, which motherfucker stole my sponge? When the sink blocks, yeah, I reach for my plunge. Working as a KB sure ain't the fun. Lifting trays to place the way more than a ton. Huh? Plus it's hotter than the sun. I chop the crude and taste fast like a bullet from a gun. Cucumber, celery, carrot, button. And when I finish those, yeah, I prep the burger bun. Minimum wage can leave you feeling glum. When I check my income, it tells me I have done 12 hours in the kitchen if you with a sweaty bum. And your armpits smell like pedigree chum. You'll be crying for your mum when the plate come. It drives a man to alcohol, reaching for the rum. Mid-shift, feeling sticky like chew the bubble gum. You know what? Fuck this shit, I'm done. When I step up in the kitchen, yo, I show respect.
Yes, yes.